At the southern gateway to the Ozark Mountains lies the small yet picturesque town of Ozark, Arkansas. You will find a family-friendly community that embraces its heritage and enjoys a good time. It's a place where people live, work, and play. You will find exciting adventures here and a vast number of places to discover with incredible views. The Ozark area has opportunities available to explore the waters of the Arkansas River, Ozark Lake, and the Arkansas Mulberry River. You will find a welcoming community where hillbilly pride runs deep. Join us as we take a look at the historic town of Ozark, Arkansas, where it all begins. The name Ozark is derived from a French word meaning Big Bend. According to local history, in 1819, French explorers sailing the Arkansas River noticed this Ozark or Big Bend in the river. As legend tells us, the explorers shot an arrow with the expectation of founding a town at the location where the arrow landed. That arrow supposedly landed just northeast of the present-day Franklin County Courthouse. Officially, Ozark was founded in 1836 and was later declared the Franklin County seat of government. This small town was incorporated in 1850, yet during the Civil War it lost its incorporation standing after Union troops burned every business and church, leaving only 3 surviving homes. Ozark was reincorporated in 1869 and has remained a prominent town in Arkansas. You can find more historical information about our wonderful town at the Ozark Historical Museum located in the old railroad depot. The railroad depot was built in 1911 and is currently on the National Register of Historic Places. The railroad reached the area in 1873, and by 1888, 4 passenger trains ran daily to the city. The railroad depot is only one of many buildings located in downtown Ozark listed on the National Register of Historic Places and are within walking distance of the courthouse square. This includes the Franklin County Courthouse, the old jailhouse, Bristow Hotel, Whitman Building, and the First United Methodist Church. For more information, visit us at the Tourist Information Center at 300 West Commercial Street or go online to ozarkchamberofcommerce.com. As you enter Ozark from the south, you cross over the beautiful Arkansas River Bridge located on Highway 23. You will find that Ozark has something for everyone to enjoy in a historical downtown with plenty to offer. Ozark has gained a strong standing as a prosperous tourist hub in Arkansas. It is known for having award-winning restaurants famous for their incredible cuisine. Plus, you'll find a wide variety of shopping establishments to enjoy. Throughout Ozark and the surrounding area, you will find plenty of opportunities to enjoy the outdoors. In downtown, you will find the charming Pocket Park with beautiful gardens and benches that provide a relaxing atmosphere. Eastside Park offers the community public tennis courts, a wonderful playground for the little ones, pavilions for any family or group to enjoy a picnic, incredible fishing with a boat launch, plus an outdoor stage for great local performances. Across the river, you will find the beautiful Ozark Park. This popular tourist area is a great place to bring the family, with 84 full hookup RV sites located along the Arkansas River, 2 separate playgrounds for the kids to enjoy, and incredible fishing with multiple species of fish ready to catch. Another great location to explore is Reed Mountain Overlook Park. It offers a beautiful view of the Ouachita Mountains and the Jetta Taylor Lock and Dam. Plus, you'll find a playground, pavilions, and a wonderful scenic hiking trail to explore. Just down the road from Reed Mountain Overlook is the Ozark Recreational Association that has a stunning 9-hole golf course. This challenging golf course is set inside a valley alongside a beautiful mountainside. On the other side of town is Westside Park, which offers a variety of activities, including a nice walking trail with easy access, a challenging frisbee golf course, playgrounds for the young ones to enjoy, a variety of baseball and softball fields, plus a rodeo arena for competitors to show off their skills. Ozark has also built a new state-of-the-art